closer, but I think Dad's gonna try and put a stalk on this little dude. He's got him pegged. But how's it going, everybody? Checking in. I haven't done an update video in a very long time, but today is Saturday, September 9th, last weekend of deer season, and this is probably my 8th or 9th day out in this spot now. Been on bucks every day, been in deer every day, had close calls every day, so hoping I can put something together. I got about a half day because I got something I gotta be at about noon, so see if I can find one to put an arrow in, so I'll keep y'all updated. Yes! I just smoked a buck. I just smoked a buck. I just killed a buck. I got in the aspen groves and was waiting on these deer. I was in here for like 20 minutes. I don't think it was the big one, but I don't care. I thought I missed him because it sounded like it hit sticks and trees. And I look out here in the meadow and he just slows down and there's a fucking massive hole in his side. 2023 archery deer down, baby. Let's fucking go. Yes! Yes! I'm gonna take the video this way so you can see. This is what I'm hunting in right now. And I shot through this group of aspens right over the top of that log. 50 yards. He's laying dead out there in the meadow. He's laying dead out there. Let's go. All right, I'm walking over to where he was standing when I shot. We're standing right here. He was standing right here. I gotta find some blood in an arrow. Well, folks at home, I'm recording. It's Saturday, September 9th, and after enough tracking around, 2023 archery mule deer, first velvet buck. You're getting your first look at him just like I am, so. Awesome little 3-point, man. Look at that shot. Look at that shot. He died in a minute and a half. Let's go, baby. All right, well, I'm doing my absolute best solo filming, but I gotta clean him off a little bit. There he is, boys. First ever velvet buck, second archery mule deer ever. A little 3-point. 50-ish yard shot. I sat and waited through this group of aspens for 20 minutes or so, and they finally slipped up and gave me a little shot, and I took it. I need to probably flip them around, but yeah, it's like the 10th day I've been out here. I've put a lot of work, and effort, and time, and sweat into this damn area behind me, and finally it all paid off. Definitely not the biggest buck in the world, definitely not even close to the biggest deer in this meadow, but it's getting down to the wire. Today is probably the last day that I can hunt. I got him busy all the week next week. Maybe in the morning I could have snuck out, but don't matter now. It's all over. He's mine. So all right, one more video just for good measure. He's a little less bloody on this side, but today is September 9th, 2023. And I'm out here today solo hunting. And I got my second ever archery mule deer. 50 yard shot. I'm looking at it right now. He was quartering away really hard because his exit, there is no actual exit hole. I think I just blew right through him. But awesome little 3-point. It's coming down to the wire, and I was more than happy to shoot just about any little 2-point. But this buck means more to me than a lot of other ones. So I've never worked this hard to come away with such a small buck, but This archery thing is so hard, man. It really shows me that my first archery buck was, you know, some skill, but a whole lot of luck. Even the shot was lucky. This was just patience and good shooting and I don't know, anything you could ever ask for. So cheers to 2023. Second tag of the year filled. I got an elk hunt starting week from yesterday, 6 days. So yeah. Alrighty. September 9th, 2023, over the counter. Cheers.
Cheers, he says.
Woohoo! Woo! It's done. Well, guys, back at the truck. Boys just took off. They got some stuff to go to. Got the buck right here. I gotta start taking him to get all figured out, but got buck loaded up in the cooler. I'm a mess, I'm dirty. But finally did it. I couldn't be more happy. Ended the season with a buck that I wouldn't pass up on most tags. So yeah, I don't know if I'm ended up making this into a video because I didn't really clip a whole lot, but if I did, thank you for watching, and tune in next week because we got an elk hunt coming up. So hopefully that's a little bit better. So see you then.